How to withdraw to bank account from Bybit. Hey guys, welcome back. In this episode I'll be showing you how you can withdraw to bank account. So in order to withdraw to bank account, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video and log in into your Bybit account. So once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So before you do any sort of transaction or trade on Bybit, you need to make sure that your account is verified. In my case, I've not verified my account, so I won't be able to proceed on further. I'm just going to instruct you. So basically, first of all, you need to make sure that you've already linked your bank account, or you can just leave it blank, but linking your bank account would make your procedure more easy and convenient. Now then, to begin with, go to my asset, and from here you need to go to withdraw. First thing, it's going to ask you to set up a two-factor authentication. So you have to link your email address and you need to set up two-factor authentication. For that, click on set up now, and then you can begin with the withdrawing process. So the withdrawal procedure is very simple. All you have to do is provide in the recipient details, enter in the exact amount, and just go ahead and enter in the details or notes, and that's basically how you can withdraw to bank account from Bybit. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.